wood burner can be used in fish carving. As you can see, this is a small angelfish that I'm working on right now. And what I do is I use a wood burner as far as the scales. This is a smallmouth bass that I've been working on, and I've used a wood burner to do the scales on that. Now, there are a lot of companies out there that sell a lot of the scale tips. This is one of them here that I have for my Collingwood. I also have some here for the Excalibur as far as my detail master. There are many companies out there that make different wood burning tips for that. If you do the fish burning, what you got to keep in mind is you do not use the same tip to do all the scales. There are different tips that you use. Also, when you burn, you want to give it an uplifting look and not make it into a pattern type look. Another thing with the wood burning is I found out that on sometimes doing the fins, instead of using thin pieces of wood, I can use a smaller piece of plastic, and I can actually use the wood burner to help shape the grooves into the plastic. I found out that by using the plastic, that with using the thin wood, it gets so thin it has a tendency to break real easy. But I can use this to show you the example of the lines that I have in the fins on both sides that you can do with the wood burning tool. You can also use the wood burning tool to make the irregular edges along the fins instead of trying to go in there with a knife. I have split them before. So the wood burning tool is actually a good universal tool that really complements any carvings that you do.